To Learning with Dr. Shivangi. Today's topic is importance of business environment. As in the previous videos, we already started the playlist for the subject business environment and also discusses various topics related to it like meaning of business environment and so on. So in today's video, we'll discuss about the importance of business environment. You can also watch other videos. Links are provided in the description box. So now coming to the main topic, which is importance of business environment. Firstly, I want to say you that if you like my video, please like and share this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel, which is Learning with Dr. Shivangi. So what is the importance of business environment? As stated, the environment is the surrounding of business which influence its operations and determines its effectiveness. So there are so many factors which influence the different operations of the business or enterprises. A businessman should continuously scan its environment because the environment is not static, rather, it is continuously changing. There are so many factors which affect the business corporations and they are continuously changing, they are not static factors like market trends, inflation rate, and so on. The continuous scanning of business environment leads to the following benefits. First is to foresee the impact of socio-economic change at the national and international level on the firm's stability. Second is it is important to keep oneself dynamic. And the last is it assists in developing board strategies and long-term policies of the firm. So mainly business important have important different types of importance to study the business environment, which is the impact of socio-economic changes at international and national level for the stability of the organizations and to change the enterprises or organizations with the market demands and to prepare the broad level strategies, long term policies of the organization also. There are some other benefits also, which are analysis of competitors' strategies and formulation of effective countermeasures. And the last one is development of action plans to deal with technological advancements. So there are different types of strategies which are framed by the organizations. So business environment is helpful to frame out the strategies and formulation of effective measures to counter that strategies. To frame out these strategies. It is also helpful to prepare the action plan to deal with the technological changes, advancements which are carried on the market. So there are several importance of business environment. So this is all about the importance of business environment. I again summarizes all the points so that you can easily understand about the topic. What are the importance of business environment? First one is it is important to proper functioning of the enterprises, organizations, its operations also. It is helpful to create the socio-economic changes with the changes in the market in the organization. It is helpful to create the dynamic processes within the organization. It is also helpful to prepare the long-term strategies of the organization and formulation of effective countermeasures, and also helpful to prepare the action plans for the organization with the technological changes. So this is all about the importance of business environment. If you have any query about this topic or if you want to know about any other topic related to research methodology, business environment, business organization, you can ask me through comment box. If you like my video, please like and share this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel, which is Learning with Dr. Shivangi. We'll meet in the next video with new topic. Thank you everyone.